Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix content failed to load on ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT and you're having an issue that your content failed to load on your ChatGPT, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection because sometimes it may be that our connection might be weak and there will be any issues of this type. So you must have to enable your airplane mode here, and once you have enabled, simply wait for up to 5 or 10 seconds, then disable it. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to wait for until your phone connect to Wi-Fi or cellular, and here you have to try again. Or if you are still having the same issue, so let's see how can you fix it. You must have to keep a long press on your ChatGPT application, then select remove app. Or if you're using any application, so you can easily switch to your website on ChatGPT. So you must have to simply open up your browser, and here you go for ChatGPT website, and here you can easily try. So in this way you can easily fix if your content fails to load on ChatGPT. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.